Welcome to this product review of the 4A7A30 American Standard Silver 13 AC, your key to ultimate home comfort. Hello, I'm Denny Brown, your Golden Rule expert technician, here to take you through the fantastic features of this cooling system. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk features. This American Standard Silver 13 AC boasts an impressive SEER rating of up to 13.8, which means energy efficiency at its finest. With single-stage cooling, you get consistent comfort throughout your home. No more hot spots or uneven cooling. Speaking of efficiency, this unit is ENERGY STAR certified, so you can trust it to save you money while being eco-friendly. Wondering if this AC is right for you? Well, it's perfect for homeowners planning to stay in their homes for the long run, around 10 years or more. It's a reliable investment in your home's comfort. Now let's address the cost. The price for installing the 4A7A30 American Standard Silver 13 AC typically ranges from $6,000 to $8,000, making it a budget-friendly option for quality cooling. So, in conclusion, the 4A7A30 American Standard Silver 13 AC is a fantastic choice for homeowners seeking efficient, reliable cooling that provides consistent comfort. Plus, it's budget-friendly and perfect for the long term. For more information or to schedule your installation, visit our website at goldenrulephc.com. Thanks for joining us for this product review. Stay cool, and we'll see you in the next video.